If you think you don't like potatoes, wait until you try this mouth-watering potato salad. Let's start with a few eggs. Take those eggs and place them in a saucepan. Add enough water to cover them and bring them to a boil. Did you know boiling eggs for 12 minutes makes them just perfect? Not too hard, not too soft, just right. While the eggs are cooking, let's move on to the potatoes. Here I have about 17 ounces, that's around 500 grams, of fresh potatoes, which I'm going to chop into pieces that are neither too large nor too small. Did you know the size of the cut affects cooking? So, not too large to take forever to cook, nor too small that they turn mushy. Bring the potatoes to a pot. Add enough water to cover them and sprinkle in a generous amount of salt. Let them boil until cooked yet firm. Oh, the 12 minutes for the eggs have passed. Let's take them out and put them in an ice water bath to stop the cooking process. Once they're cool, peel and chop them into small pieces. So, as you prepare the salad, think of the stories behind each ingredient, the hands that cultivated them, and the journey they took to reach you. Now grab a few slices of bacon and cook them in a skillet until they're crispy. I'm using turkey bacon here, a lighter alternative to traditional bacon. Once cooked, chop it finely. Where are you joining us from today? Sending a huge shout out to our friends in cities like Buenos Aires, Mexico City, and Bogota. It's amazing how a recipe can travel and adapt to different kitchens. Now for the mayonnaise mix. I take 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, half a cup of Greek yogurt for creaminess. I also add some. This salad isn't just a dish, it's a culinary journey. Finely chopped cilantro. If you prefer, you can use parsley. Each ingredient has a story, a path that led it to your kitchen. Add some salt, pepper, garlic powder, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and the juice of half a lemon. Did you know in some places they call lemons limes? Mix everything well so the flavors meld together. Imagine the journey of the lemon, its zesty flavor adding a punch to the creamy dressing. Add the cooled potatoes, eggs, and the bacon. Oh, the bacon adds a smoky depth that contrasts beautifully with the freshness of the greens. And half a finely chopped onion to the mix. I like raw onion for its texture and flavor, but you can cook it if you prefer. Mix well so that all the ingredients are perfectly combined. Did you know the magic of this salad is in the mix of textures and flavors? The soft potatoes, the creamy eggs, the crunch of the bacon, the fresh touch of cilantro or parsley, and that blend of mayonnaise and yogurt that wraps it all up. It's a party in your mouth. After mixing well, the most anticipated moment arrives, the tasting. Serve it and watch your mouth water. And if you liked it,